Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Nathan. This is the first video where I'm actually speaking on this channel. Um, so, yeah, what I want to do is just go through some trade setups that I've come across and basically share my thoughts about crypto on this channel. That's what I really want to do. I'm not really sure what the name is going to be at the moment. It's what it is, but I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep it at that. But anyway, let's just show you this setup that I'm looking at the moment on ETH. So let me just I'll just show you the daily. So here we are on the daily. Let me just get rid of that. So let's just get rid of some of this clutter. So basically we're at this support here, a key support resistance flip type area. Now the thing that I've seen is we've got bullish divergence on the daily. So these two lows here, we've got divergence there. So that's one thing to bear in mind. Now, what I have seen is so yeah, it could be bullish, and also ETH BTC chart. Sorry, that's not it. ETH BTC chart on Coinbase. As that's also, it's at the 50% fib, which is here, taken from there to there. Which is at this level here, and we do have bullish divergence there as well on the daily of the ETH BTC chart. So that's something to bear in mind. It will probably just come and retest maybe the underside of this trend line that it's fallen from. And it's basically fallen out of this large arc. Now I used to know about, I used to use arcs a lot in my technical analysis. Basically, when they fall through, they usually like to retest the underside of it. It acts like a magnet. So maybe it comes back. It just depends. It just depends. But when they fall through with force. So you know that's what it has actually gone through that arc. So yeah, looks like some kind of head and shoulders, which would take it down to here, 786 area. You know, maybe we've got something onto weekly. Let's just get just get this sorted. Goodness me. Yeah, so let's have a look, see if we could draw maybe some kind of shark or something. Yeah, we could. That'd take you to the 886. There. Or maybe if you took it from there. So we're still in, that's still a shark, and the 886 would be there. So the 886 would take you to this bit of support here, which has been this previously. yeah, so that's interesting. That's if we come down, which we could do because we have fallen from this. But I think at the moment, because there's bullish divergence on the daily, we could be due up, maybe just retest the underside of this, you know. So that's the BTC chart. Let me just go back to the Ethereum chart. Now, I did say we were bullish, but the trade setup I've seen at the moment is on the 1 hour, and it's just a short. So obviously you'd need to see divergence in the area before you took the trade, but it's just this. So I've marked out the dailies and the weeklies and all the closes on this chart, so it is complete. So and what I've come across is there is, on this particular range that we've been in, the value area low, so we've been in this range, we've fallen out it once, hit the top of this trend line, and then fallen through it again. Now when you fall through a level, it becomes resistance then. So the bottom of that range, the bottom profile, volume profile, the value area low, is at the same area as the daily level, which is on through the daily level. This one, this daily level there. Okay, so there's that daily level, and there's the range value area low, but also you can see there's a perfect bat. There would be a perfect bat forming in this area if it carries on going, which it is. So what I would want to see is from this basically we're in a downtrend. We're in a downtrend on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour we're coming down. Yeah. Now, so what I check if you're in a downtrend, or if you're trading with the trend, check for hidden divergence, which is what we've got. We've got hidden bearish divergence there on these two peaks. Okay, now what I want to see now is divergence between this one and this one, reversal divergence, which is what we have already. It's forming. It's forming. As long as that wave doesn't go past the height of this wave, we have got bearish reversal divergence, assuming this is higher than this. You know, because a divergence is you need the price to be going one way and then the oscillator to be going the other. So that's your divergence. Now, so yeah, this trade's getting ready. So what I'd look for now is you want to see divergence on this move up. So what you would do is maybe go onto the 15-minute and you'd see, so we don't have it yet, but what you'd want to see is you want to see a move up, move down, move up, like that. But on the on this wave, on this oscillator, anything, RSI could be anything what you're using, you'd want to see this and this. And that will mean then that this particular move up that we saw on the 1 hour, again, this one is made out of these waves, would end, which would basically create this divergence on the 1 hour. So you're finding that the divergence on the 15-minute that travels up the time frames onto the 1 hour that causes that divergence. So it's like a double divergence. And plus you've got the hidden divergence here. Yeah. So this is just trade I've been looking at. But yeah, because there's bullish divergence on the daily and bullish divergence on the ETH BTC chart, could be that ETH's pretty strong. So you'd have to make sure you get these divergences. But yeah. So yeah, that's just something I just thought I'd bring to your attention, and this is my first video. So yeah, if you like it, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll speak to you in the next one.